Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about PC security tips. 5 tips for general purpose computing. First is to use a very strong password. One of the simplest way to improve security is to use a password that isn't easily guessed. Passwords that include special characters and spaces. Use both capital and lowercase letters. Avoid words in the dictionary as well as numbers. Use much more difficult to crack than your mother's name or your anniversary date. Invest in good premier defense. It's good idea to use an external firewall router to help protect your computer even if you only have one computer. At the lower end, you can purchase a retail router device such as commercial Linksys, D-Link, and some other routers that are available in stores such as Best Buy, Circuit City, CompUSA, or eBay. Higher up the scale, you can get managed switches, routers, and firewall from enterprise class vendors such as Cisco, Vyatta, Foundry Networks, etc. Update your software. While concern such as patch testing before deployment to production systems may be of critical importance in many circumstances. Ultimately, security patches must be rolled out to your systems. Ignoring security updates for too long can result in computer you use becoming easy targets for some security crackers. Don't let the software installed on your computer fall too far behind the security update schedule. Protect your data with backups. One of the most important way you can protect yourself from a disaster is to take backup of your data. Strategies for data backup and data redundancy can range from something as simple as from periodically saving copies to CD to complex or some periodic automated backups to a server. On systems that must maintain constant uptime without loss of service, RAID can provide automatic failover redundancy in case of a disk failure. Nowadays, there are many cloud vendors from which you can buy some space and manage your backups. Don't trust foreign networks. This is especially important on open wireless networks such as at your local coffee shop or any shopping mall. If you are careful and smart about security, there is no reason you cannot use a wireless network at a coffee shop or more other untrusted foreign network. But the key is that you have to ensure the security through your own system and not trust the foreign network to be safe from malicious security crackers. That means if you are going to connect to some foreign network, don't trust on foreign network. Do some security stuff on your own. For instance, it is much more critical that you protect sensitive communication with encryption on an open wireless network, including when connecting to websites where you use login session cookie to automate authentication or enter a username and password. Just as I have explained earlier, don't trust the foreign networks. Take security initiatives yourself.